Hey, it's Ian, and today we have an awesome power washer by Sunjoe. Now what you're gonna love is because this is cordless, it makes it super portable. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Cutting-edge cordless cleaning tech meets a portable pressurized power cleaning system in the 24-volt cordless power cleaner by Sunjoe. Perfect anywhere power's at a premium, it's ideal to take a quick rinse on the road or a mini car wash wherever your travels take you. Simply insert the battery, tap into a water source, and go. Sunjoe's powered by ION Plus, the exclusive eco-friendly 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. No more gas, fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords, just the ultimate in cordless convenience. Equipped with a 20-foot siphon hose, Sunjoe draws water from any freshwater source like a bucket, pool, pond, or directly from the spigot. Quickly clean off the car and RV. Pressure wash the porch and patio. The included 5-in-1 nozzle offers 5 selectable spray patterns. Switch from 0-degree powerful pinpoint jet to 40-degree fan spray with just a twist of the wrist. Providing up to 5 times more cleaning power than a conventional garden hose, Sunjoe blasts through mud and caked-on messes with up to 350 pounds per square inch max, while the 0.6 gallons per minute max flow quickly rinses away dirt and debris. And for those really stubborn stains in tight spaces like wheel wells and trim, the included utility bristle brush easily breaks down grease, grime, oil, and mud without damaging the paint, trim, and glass. Weighing less than 7 pounds, Sunjoe's sleek, lightweight design makes it perfectly portable camping companion, storing easily in the trunk of your RV, boat, or car. So tap into the unbeatable cleaning power that fits in the palm of your hand and go with Joe.
Now we have had an absolute blast testing this power washer out. All you'll need is this and a bucket of water and you'll be able to clean anything, anywhere. Now another thing I love about this is that they give me a water hose attachment, meaning I could just hook this up to my garden hose at home. Plus the battery that it comes with can be used with a whole wide range of other Snowjoe and Sunjoe products. Now the reason you're getting such a great deal on this product is because it is refurbished, meaning they inspect it over, repair it if it needs it, and clean it, making sure that it is in perfect working order just like new. Now you're also going to get a 6-month manufacturer's warranty on this, which is also a plus. Now we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and grab yours today.